An English miller with 1 year of school rewrote the laws of physics. Nobody noticed. His name was George Green. In 1828, he published a paper on electricity and magnetism. 51 people bought a copy. Most of them were friends. They couldn't understand it. The paper gathered dust. 5 years later, Green walked into Cambridge, aged 40. He sat in lectures with teenagers and graduated 4th in his class. He never saw what his work became. He died in 1841, aged 47, forgotten, until a young scientist named William Thomson found a copy. He sent copies across Europe. The mathematics Green invented in that windmill became the foundation for modern physics, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics. Every physics student in the world writes his name on an exam. Most of them have no idea who he was. They put a stone for him in Westminster Abbey, next to Newton's grave. The windmill is still standing. You can visit it. Be proud of us. 51 people read his paper. It took 150 years for the world to catch up. Don't let it take that long again. Every video we make is funded by people like you. No sponsors, no ads, no agenda, just people who refuse to let these stories stay forgotten. Your support pays for the research, the production, the hours it takes to get it right. Proudofus.co.uk. Be part of us. Be proud of us.